guys, it's me, Brianna. But yeah, my name is Girly Girl Team. My channel. But I got some slime right here with me. Thank you, Ivy. And let's get it out. I'll let you see it in a second. So let's get it. Try to make a bubble, guys. Oh, okay, I kind of made a bubble, but yeah. So this is not fluffy. It's kind of, because it's big and fat. But it's like more stretchy than that. Okay, so what we're going to do is, okay, so you're going to do this. So let's do the bubble. I kind of love the bubble, but it's like sometimes. Oh my gosh, guys, you see that? It's like growing. Ready? So yeah, let's do the bubble again. That was very fun. Man, let's do that again. It didn't work because it was too small. Okay, let's do this again. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It was so cool. And guys, check out Ivy Silvis or Kidder. Ivy Silvis loves Five Nights at Freddy's. Check out her videos. She's one of my best friends. And this is one of her slimes. As you can see. And as you can see, check out other people's videos like Dante is Great. And this Christmas, check out Karina. It's like a little bubble. So cute. It's really so cute. I can't. Oh, did it pop? Oh, it's popped it. Let's do something very cool that we did to the other one. It's doing it. There was 2 bubbles. Now let's. Okay, so let's do a big one. So let's get on into the big one. So we're on, and we got more, and more, and more, and more, and more. Ready? Oh man, let's try it again. Kind of like farting noise. You smell it. Ah, it smells so good. If you hear little kids, that's my little brother and sister, and they're playing Falling. Scary. They're saying Falling on the door, and they close it. It's like falling, That was so cool. I love that. Oh my gosh, it farted. It's so cool. It's like a utensil. Very sad. It almost got on it. When y'all. So smart. Okay, so let's do the bubble. Next, we're gonna do the twirl. Dang it! I felt there was a bubble in the back, so that's why you couldn't see. But I hope y'all can see this one. If it makes noise, like pop it. Okay, yeah, it had one in the side. What? It stretches very long. Well, this is it. Hope y'all like it. Subscribe and comment down below. Bye. But let's do the twirl, like I said. But after that, we're gonna go.